Today a new tutorial for you. This is my sister Michela. She's younger and nicer than me, I think. So she is showing you my new project. Very easy project for beginners as well. In half an hour you are able to crochet a necklace neck warmer like that. So really very nice. I will show you this neck warmer in different colors. It depends on the kind of yarn you are using, because the method is always the same. Okay, here I was using double yarn in two colors, so two strands of the same yarn but different colors, purple and red together. This was the final effect. And then I will show you the same with a fur yarn, fur effect yarn. And you see how beautiful this neck warmer is in this particular kind of yarn. So it is very easy. I will explain you everything step by step in English. So let's get started. For this easy project, I'm using this lace weight yarn from Gründl, Lisa Premium Uni. The features of this lace weight yarn are 100% polyacryl, 50 grams for 133 meters. I will use this yarn in double like that. In this specific case, I'm using two different colors in double yarn. You see, a purple and a red. And to work this double yarn together, I will use a 7 millimeters crochet hook. This is the effect you will get. Okay, and this is exactly the same project, but I realized this other model using this fur yarn, worsted weight yarn, for effect, and I worked it with an 8 millimeters crochet hook. That's the effect I get. More volume, as you see. Really nice as well. Slip note to start. And now chain so many times you need to get a chain 45 centimeters long. In my specific case, 47 chains were needed. Okay, now additional chain 1 to start, and in the second chain from the hook enter the stitch and single crochet 1. Now continue single crochet 1 in each one of the next chains, so that at the end of this row you get 47 single crochet. At the end of this row, single crochet 1 into the last chain. Ready for the second row. We will start chaining 1 and turning your work. Now into the very first stitch, enter again and single crochet 1. Remember, the chain does not count as first single crochet, but just as starting chain. Now single crochet 1 in each one of the next stitches below till the end of this row. At the end of this row, single crochet 1 into the last single crochet below. Don't work into the starting chain. Now chain 1 and turn and repeat row number 3, single crochet 1 in each one of the stitches below. Finally, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows single crochet. Okay, now we are ready to create the fringe above and below. From here, chain 4 and 4 and 1 single crochet into the 4th rows below, like that. Now enter again into the same stitch and single crochet 1. From here I'm ready to create my fringe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Chain 10, and now into the next stitch 1 single crochet, again chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, into the next stitch 1 single crochet. Repeat the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Into the next stitch single crochet 1. Do that all across the row till you get to the last stitch of this edge. Okay, now 1 single crochet into the last single crochet of previous round across this edge, you see. And now you are at the end of this side. Enter again the same stitch and single crochet 1. Okay, like that. Now you have to single crochet 1 in each one of the rows below. We have 4 rows, so single crochet 4 into the first one, 1 single crochet, into the second one, 1 single crochet, now 3, and now 4. Okay, now enter again into the last stitch and single crochet 1 again. Okay, now you turned to the other side of my necklace, and I'm ready now to repeat exactly what I did across this first edge. So chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now into the next single crochet of previous round, 1 single crochet, and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 into the next stitch single crochet 1, and repeat till you get to the last stitch across this edge. I will show you how to finish your work. Our necklace neck warmer is completed. At the side we have this loop. On the opposite side we have to join a button. You can join a wool button like mine, or other materials, for example plastic button, as you prefer. If you like this wool button, I will link you here below under this video the tutorial where I'm explaining how to crochet a button like that. You can click also above on the right, click on the eye above, and you'll find the link for this video tutorial or at the end of this video. At this stage, you just have to join your button and join like that through your loop. So your neck warmer necklace is ready. Really nice. Our cowl is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, please leave me your like. It will help my channel to grow. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell besides. In this way you will receive all notifications for every new video tutorial. And this is the effect of my necklace. You see my neck warmer. For example, you can wear it with a colored sweater like mine. This is the final effect you can get. This is another one made with different colors and yarns. So as you see, you can use your fantasy and create so many colors combination. Thanks for watching. See you very soon with a new video tutorial. Thanks a lot. Bye bye for now.